There's something so comforting about this kheer. Soft shevyo, pearly sabudana, and that creamy sweetness that reminds us of home. Simple, pure, and made with love, just the way I like it. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noella Creations. So let's begin. Here I have 1 cup of grated coconut. I'll extract the coconut milk and keep it aside. Then place a kadai on medium flame and heat 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. Here I have some raisins, chopped cashew nuts and chopped almonds. I will add this to the kadai and roast for a few seconds. Now I am transferring this into a plate. Now I am adding 1/3 cup of vermicelli into the kadai. We will roast this for a few seconds until the color changes. And now I am carefully adding some hot water. Now we will mix it well and will let the vermicelli cook. It gives such a lovely aroma. Next goes in salt. Mix it well. I am adding half cup of chopped sugarcane jaggery. You can add sugarcane jaggery as per your taste. We will mix it well until the jaggery dissolves. Now pour in the extracted coconut milk and stir continuously. Next goes in few strands of saffron soaked in 1/4 cup of milk. Mix it well. I washed 1/4 cup of sabudana with plain water 3 to 4 times. Then I soaked it in water overnight. I drained the water and now I transferred the sabudana into the kadai. Once the sabudana turns soft and translucent, that's when it feels just right. Next goes in 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. We'll mix it well. Now I'm adding the raisins, cashew nuts and almonds. Stir it. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Once it boils, let it cook for a few seconds and then switch off the flame. I love how the coconut milk slowly thickens and everything blends together beautifully. Shevyo Sabudana Kheer is ready. I am garnishing it with some chopped dry fruits and nuts. This Shevyo Sabudana Kheer turned out so rich, comforting and creamy. A simple Goan style sweet that always brings a smile. I love having it after a Sunday meal or when I crave something homemade. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.